tremendous values on the world's finest.
Say, kids, what time is it? It's time for me to show you this radio. What I'm referring to is Jeff loaned me this radio in the previous batch of radios. And when I went to return it to him, he said, Tom, you didn't do a show on this radio. And I'm going, huh? What do you mean? He says, you didn't do a show. And I'm like, wait a minute. Did it have one of your little crib sheets like you usually give me for each radio? And he goes, no. Well, that's why I forgot. So here it is. I still don't have a crib sheet, so this is going to be kind of short. It's a GE model. Come around here to the back. C1470-B in white. It says Bell white. I'm not sure why it says Bell white, but it says white. It's a AM only or medium wave clock radio, and it's in pristine condition. I mean, the clock face is like brand new. The cloth here is like brand new. The dial, there's no scratches or cracks, anything on it. It has a sleep timer. You can set up to 60 minutes. It has off, on, clock, come on to music, so you can set the clock. That's that little red dial right there where you can set the alarm, is what I'm trying to say. Or you can just have it on alarm and it would just a big buzz, I think. It's solid state. So it's not a tube radio, which a lot of these that look like this were 5-tube radios. This one is solid state and it sounds great.
Probably finish off the year at home, although they do have to go in for the standardized testing this week.
The clock works perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Nice and shiny. I'm sorry, Jeff, that I missed it last time. Well, we got it this time. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you happen to recall what my intro statement reference was referring to, you're as old as I am. It's a show that was in like the late 1940s, early 50s. Anybody remember that show for kids? That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.